what's really tight.
You can't say that. Just leave it hanging like that. So I would interject.
Yeah, anyway. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. We are currently coming at you from, I don't know, Interstate 290 in the Chicago suburb.
We are in Rolling Meadows, Illinois.
Yeah, the keyword there would be rolling, but we're not really.
That's all we're doing is just rolling.
We are on our way up to Milwaukee to a place called Sellers, Wipers, and Sorbents. I don't know what it is. It's in the Milwaukee area, and it is in an old Sam's Club apparently, so we're gonna go find out what that is. That load delivers to Baumgart's in Sioux City tomorrow, which will be Wednesday. I'm thinking we might end up in the shop again. I don't know. On our way back from Phoenix over the weekend, Sarah started acting up again.
She's been doing fine the last day or so.
Yeah. As soon as we got up and got started yesterday morning, she was like, oh, I'm going to straighten up and fly right. So, don't really know what's going on. Check engine light. Since the last time we had it in the shop, the check engine light has gone off and then come back on, I don't know, probably a half a dozen times.
It's currently on.
Yeah. I know it was on whenever we started the truck this morning, so there's that. I don't know if that's ever going to get actually fixed, because according to Husker, there's nothing wrong. Don't really know what's going to happen this week. Anything you want to talk about currently?
No, just trying to get to Milwaukee.
On this week's episode of Stupid Freaking People, we just passed a minivan with 2 occupants, both in the front seat, both of them on their phones. You could just imagine that they're texting each other. I hope not, but so come along with us while we fight traffic in the Chicagoland area on our way to pickup. Good morning. We are here at Baumgart's, where we have just disconnected from the trailer holding 30 pallets and a whopping 16,000 pounds of basically paper towels. Remember I said something yesterday about going into the shop? Well, turns out,
She jinxed us.
true, but not in the way that I thought. He just got a call.
There's a recall on my truck for a part back in the back somewhere. So they called and said that they have all that shit in, so now I gotta take my truck over there to get it taken care of.
Over to Husker.
Over to Husker. We knew it was coming, I just kind of forgot.
Well, he says we. I think we is him and John, because I don't remember hearing anything about this, but that's okay. The sidebar there is, what did John tell you about time?
He said, "Oh, it should only take a couple of hours." Yeah, we'll see about that.
It is 7:32 on Wednesday morning, and we are heading over there as soon as he gets done with this paperwork. So I would say we will be leaving this parking lot no later than 7:36, and we'll check back in with you after we get done over there, find out the rest of the story. So, see you in a minute. Well, there's update number 1. Tell me again what was supposed to happen?
First, they cleared the check engine light, so that's off.
Again.
And the recall had something to do with when I pull my brakes, the truck would lurch, like the brakes are settling in. It's not supposed to do that. So supposedly that's fixed.
But for now, that's all our updates. We do not have our next load. We don't know where we're going. We're going over to Love's to get me another cup of coffee and to go potty. And so we'll have a comfortable place to sit and wait. So, I don't know. Check back, well, in about 30 seconds. Alrighty. Well, I did forget to tell you how long we were at Husker. Turns out we were only there about 1 hour, and that's more than fine. That is more than fine. After we got over to Love's, we got basically the okay to come back up to the yard, and while we were on our way up there, we got our next load. We are headed to Cartersville, Georgia. It is currently Wednesday at 2 p.m. and we have to deliver Friday morning at 9:30 a.m. So it's a little tight. What's really tight is our hours coming back. We don't have any. So basically, we're going to be doing a 34. So,
maybe. We're not sure yet.
Right.
We're hoping to, actually.
In preparation of that, I have gone ahead and reserved a rental car because that's just how we roll. I am kind of hopeful that we actually get to do a 34 down there. It doesn't really matter that it's there, just that we get to do a 34 because there it is. Oh, that is terrible.
Yeah, I got to do all that.
Yeah, we got a ton of laundry. I need to clean house, and we're pretty much out of food in the refrigerator and the freezer. So, yeah, things are getting, I won't say they're desperate, but they're getting kind of thin. So, I think we're down to the bottom of our socks, and the weather is going to be decent when we're there. So, tonight, we're washing a load of shorts and socks. So we can be comfortable for the next couple of days. Next thing, this week's trivia. Yeah, those are lovely, aren't they? You know your girl, I got curious, so I did what I do, and I fell down a rabbit hole. I asked Google about the history of manicures, just manicures. Turns out, people have been dressing their nails kind of fancy since ancient Egyptian times. But nail polish, as we know it, wasn't invented until 1924. What? Yeah, 1924, before nail enamel was invented. And then in the, I believe it was in the 60s, or was it 56? I don't know. Mid 50s, early 60s, this kind of stuff, acrylic nails, was invented by
A dentist.
a dentist. Somebody needed a nail repair and he used dental acrylic to fix the nail, thus spawning all of this. And that's your trivia for this week. If you didn't know, now you do, and maybe you'll be the winner of this week's trivia contest. Who knows? In the meantime, let's rock out on our way to Cartersville, Georgia, and see what happens along the way. First delivery just on the other side of a bridge that has a 25-ton weight limit. So that's delivery done here at Maricold in Georgia. We got our next load, and that meant we had to cancel our rental car reservation. So I'm a little bummed, but you know, we'll get over it. 4 miles, right? We are headed up to Humboldt, Tennessee, to a Tyson, and that one I am 99% sure we have never been there.
We've never been there. And we're taking back roads most of the way there to avoid going back through Chattanooga and any other of the big cities.
We are headed to Tyson, and the drop dead time is Sunday at like 3 o'clock in the morning, but they want our trailer there
no later than Saturday by noon.
Yeah, and it's currently Friday. So we're going to go ahead and buzz on up the road because there's really no point in us staying down here. There's nothing for us down here. So we'll go ahead and go up there, get the trailer dropped off today, and maybe we'll get our load a little bit early. I don't know.
We're hoping we can pick it up first thing tomorrow morning and take off with it. That's what I'm hoping for.
Look at that guy's truck over there. Yeah.
Oh, the passenger seat. Like Friday the 13th and Michael Myers. I wonder if he looks like Freddy or Freddy's in the back.
Our load has to be in Cedar Falls? Yeah, Cedar Falls, Iowa by Monday morning. So if we have to wait till DDT,
It's gonna be a long day Sunday.
yeah. But like I said, there's nothing really for us down here in Cartersville. We do still have a mountain of laundry.
Try to get that done today, maybe.
We did locate a laundromat in Humboldt, and I need to grocery shop, and so we found the local Walmart there as well. Hopefully we'll be able to get all that done today. I did get cleaning done yesterday. That's all right. Now we just gotta see what's coming for the rest of the day today. So come along with us.
Bye.
Hopefully we won't see any more creepy bad guys on the way. Welcome back to another food adventure. Today, we're going the easy route. That one, and yeah, that one. A typical oversized Reese's cup, right?
This one is the peanut butter and marshmallow cream.
No, peanut butter and jelly.
No, this one's peanut butter marshmallow cream.
The marshmallow cream has peanut butter?
Marshmallow.
Yeah, there's no peanut butter. Well,
There is.
okay. It's a Reese's cup.
It's a Reese's cup. Of course, there's freaking peanut butter. See what I got to put up with?
Okay. Not much marshmallow in there.
Yeah, it's just a real thin layer across the bottom.
Yeah. Okay. It's not bad. Extra sweet. This is the
Chocolate, peanut butter, and strawberry jelly.
again, just a thin line across the bottom.
Yeah.
I don't really like either one of them.
Not really. I think I like the marshmallow one a little bit better.
Yeah, but it's just so sweet.
Probably why I like it. Not worth the $2.50 a piece.
I think so.
About $2.50 a piece. Not worth it. Stick with the regular. Can't go wrong.
Well, if you didn't know before, now you do. Come back and join us again at some point in the future. Maybe we'll have something better. in Cedar Falls. And last time we talked to you, we were on our way over to Tyson. We dropped our trailer in there Friday, and then, as we had previously discussed, we went out and did laundry, did grocery shopping, and went out to dinner. I took these before and after images of all of our, grocery shopping and dinner and all of that. Things were getting kind of thin. I mean, as you can see, we had like mustard and ice cream.
What else do you need?
And I think we had about 4 t-shirts each, and then we were going to be out of laundry. I think it was like fairly early Saturday morning. Yeah, like 6 o'clock in the morning. We got the phone call from Tyson. Your load is ready. So went right over there, grabbed that, and just kind of meandered our way up here to Cedar Falls.
5 or 6 hours of drive time for that day.
Yeah.
Which was fine. Then the next day,
yesterday,
I had more hours, but we were only 4 hours away.
We were over here bright and early. Our appointment was at 5:30. We got on the lot at 5.
Yeah, we were checked in by 5.
It is now...
It is currently 10 till 11. Our light just went green, but we're waiting on a text message or phone call that says that I'm done.
Yeah. I don't think there's anything else that we need to cover this week. What do we usually say?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Tell all your friends, but in the meantime, thanks for watching. See you, bye. Let's rock out. No.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Uh-huh.